Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you a part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell beside that so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, it is time for another Misfits unboxing. It is my second box for, what month this is? July. And I got this box today and it's like it's wet a little bit on the bottom, so I hope my food is still good. Now I'm a little bit upset, but it's usually in that packaging, so I'm hoping it's some good. So anyways, let's see. So let me flip the camera around, we can check it out. Okay guys, let me see, this looks a little crooked. Wrong way. I don't know how to get it straight. That's straight. Okay guys, let's take a look in the box. I think I ordered one thing extra this month. I plopped that up on the screen somewhere. Not this month, but this week. Oh, they done changed the inside back to this crap again. That may be why. I don't like this. I like the paper one. But anyhow, let's see. This still is got a little ice still left in it, so it may be okay. But the bottom of the box is kind of wet. Oh, I ordered strawberries. I couldn't remember what I ordered extra. So they changed the packaging. They didn't used to do that, so people's stuff must have been getting smushed. But yeah, these are ready to eat like immediately. So I'm going to have to rinse these off and eat some and freeze some if I don't want them to go bad. I ordered some more dino kale, which is my absolute favorite. This looks absolutely good. Really, really good. So I do remember ordering this. Oh, they done changed up their little packaging for real. They got bags and stuff in here. And I finally got bok choy. I've been ordering bok choy every week. They haven't been giving it to me because I guess they've run out. This one got a little bit brown on it. But it's okay. I'm still going to eat it. A little bit of yellow leaves ain't hurt nobody. I'll probably cook it tonight. I love bok choy. If you guys ever eaten this, comment below and let me know if you like it. I absolutely love it. I just saute it like you do spinach. So good. Massive. I don't know if I've ever had a mango this freaking big. Oh my god, this thing is massive. It's almost as big as two of my hands. Big. Okay. Got a head of broccoli. Kind of small head of broccoli, but it's enough for one. Well, I guess it's enough for two. I would eat all of this myself because I love broccoli. I ordered some green beans. They already look like they are no good. They look brown through this bag. So I would have to cook these fast. I grew some green beans in my garden, but it just didn't get that many on the vine. So I don't know what I did wrong. But as you can see, these green beans, they feel good. So maybe this is what they're supposed to look like. With these brown spots on them. I don't know. They're not soft or anything like they're bad. So this may be a different brand of green beans that grow with these brown spots on it. I have no idea. But I've never seen with these brown spots. Well, that's a little soft. But the rest of them not soft. So I'm probably going to cook these tomorrow for Sunday dinner. Yeah, because some of them don't look good. So I cook them all tomorrow. Cook them tomorrow, then they hopefully they'll be okay. So green beans. Oh, I thought this stuff was in the bag. This just this box. I guess that ice melted and just dripped and got all over everything and made it wet. But I got some pears. And they're still hard as a brick, which is good because this is how I like to eat them. Hard. I do not like them soft. I did order this head of cauliflower. I couldn't think of what it was. Just had a cauliflower because I want to make a video with some cauliflower steaks. I thought I had made one already, but when I look back, I did not see it on my channel. So I don't know if I taped it and never edited it, but I don't have it. So I ordered some onions. They're pretty small yellow onions. Got 2 of these. I ordered some oranges. They only sent me 2 this time. They usually send 4. And then they sent me 2 tangerines. I think I ordered tangerines and oranges. So usually they send me 4 of each. So, oh, and this one ain't no good. I had to eat that today. It's kind of soft at the top. Like it's going bad. I think this box got hot. Oh, they sent me 3. Got another butternut squash. I ordered this because I want to do a butternut squash video, and the last one, it was too small. This one ain't that much bigger, but it's bigger than the last one, so I do that. And then I order an acorn squash. I rarely eat these, so I wanted to get it and try it, and because I can't remember what they taste like because I haven't had one in so long. So I just got an acorn squash to try it so I can remember what it tastes like, because I don't know. And that is it for what's in the box. They put, let's see what they put in here. Porter lunch box. Porter durable lunch bowls, I mean. Oh, so they're going to be starting selling lunch bowls now, I guess. And then showing you some other stuff they have in the market. And this is a cucumber celery slushy. Probably won't try that. But it's probably good. I did the celery juice diet, so anywho. That's about everything I got in my bag today. I mean, box. So as always, let me get my little picture ready. Let me get this stuff out the way. Don't fall off there. Alright. Line up my fruit at the bottom. Don't none of this fruit look, these oranges look good this week. I don't know what's going on. And of course it's Saturday, so people are out there cutting their grass, if you can hear it. Probably can, you may not, but anywho. That's life. People cut their grass on the weekends. Yeah, these green beans look something horrible. I'm hoping this is a brand of green beans and it's supposed to look this color, because that does not look good at all. Alright. Y'all see that? Now let me bring my camera up a little bit. Get my pictures. I see something in there, I don't know. My strawberries. Okay. My recap of everything I got. My strawberries that I purchased. Then I got some dino kale. I got a butternut squash. Some broccoli. Acorn squash. Some green beans that don't look that good. Some bok choy that don't look that good. Got a big old mango. I got 2 yellow onions, a cauliflower, 2 oranges, 3 tangerines, and 3 pears. So that is everything that I got for my second box in July. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I will leave my code. You get 25% off. I get 25% off my next box if you are a new customer. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.